Previously on my channel, I have talked about many calculator watches by Casio. And these calculator watches have been worn by iconic characters like Dwight Schrute from The Office. And of course, how can we forget that it was featured in Breaking Bad? But another very iconic character to wear this watch was Marty McFly from the movie Back to the Future. And as if this watch wasn't already iconic enough, now it has a collaboration model with Back to the Future. That's right, Casio has an official collaboration with Back to the Future and they released the calculator watch. ये कैलकुलेटर वॉच ऑलरेडी बहुत ही ज़्यादा नॉस्टैल्जिक थी बिकॉज दिस इज़ अ वेरी ओल्ड वॉच ऑफ दैस बट अब इसमें ये मूवी का एलिमेंट भी ऐड हो गया है जो मैंने तो आई सॉ इट व्हेन आई वाज अ किड एंड आई एम श्योर मोस्ट ऑफ यू डिड टू. So now it's even more nostalgic and even more of an collectible item. Let's talk about the movie a little bit first. 2025 marks the 40 years of the release of Back to the Future. It was originally released in 1985. In the film, Marty McFly wore a Casio calculator watch, the CA53W, which became iconic. Casio and Universal Products and Experiences teamed up for this special edition to celebrate the legacy, combining the watch heritage with cinematic history. So now it's not just a piece of tech, it's also a piece of cinematic history. And again, now it's even more desired by collectors. Main बात पे आ जाते हैं the looks of this watch and how it is a collaborative model. On the face of the watch itself, you'll see these little detailings in color. The multicolored buttons around the keypad evoke the time circuits in the DeLorean, which was the car from the film. The dial takes inspiration from the DeLorean's time circuit display. उसके बाद, the finish of this watch, it is a polished silver tone metal case and bracelet which deliver a more premium feel compared to typical calculator watches जो ये resin वाली होती हैं, the one I have here right now. The original calculator watch was also a resin, but now you can also get a metallic version of the calculator watch, which is different from this obviously. But yes, there does exist a metallic version of the calculator watch, which is not this watch. The strap buckle even carries the Back to the Future logo, and the back is engraved with the flux capacitor motif, the heart of the time machine in the film. But honestly, what I really like about this watch is the packaging. यार इसका packaging देखो, it comes in a VHS tape. Oh, it's so pretty. It would look so pretty sitting on a shelf or mounted on a wall. I love it when brands have unique boxes for their watches which are not just standard. So yes, the packaging is styled like a vintage VHS cassette tape, again tying into the 1980s theme home video era. All these little details make the watch what it is. So the moment you buy the watch itself, from the box you'll get nostalgia. And nostalgia is a really powerful emotion.
Don't underestimate the power of nostalgia. If baseball can use it to get people to care about that worthless sport, then I can use it to get my siblings to care about the farm. Nostalgia is truly one of the great human weaknesses, second only to the neck.
But should you buy this watch only for the looks? What about the features? Behind the buttons, or the time machine actually, is a classic calculator watch. The inside of the watch is same. It functions in the same way as any other calculator watch. It has an 8-digit calculator function. It can add, subtract, multiply or divide. It has a time and date display, stopwatch for 1/100th of a second, daily arm and hourly chime, water resistant which is suitable for daily wear, and self-adjustable steel bracelet with a long life battery. So functionally you're getting the same calculator watch. Another little detail that I've not even seen the Casio's own website mention is that on the watch face itself you can see outer time, which is the license plate of the car from the movie. And I don't know why it was not mentioned like all the other details, but I guess it's only like a little Easter egg for the true fans, even though it's really out there. Currently, if you go to buy this watch, you won't see a price on it. And that is because it is not yet released in the market. This watch is set to release on 21st October 2025, which is Back to the Future Day. That is the date which was used in film. And yes, this is a limited edition model, so it will sell out quick and it might even be really expensive. The resin version of the calculator watch CA53WF retails for 3,595, while the metal one CA500 retails for 4,995. So this watch is going to be expensive than 5,000, that is for sure. So if you are interested in this watch, you need to act fast, because once it is out of stock, it's never coming back from Casio itself, and secondary retailers will sell it for a lot more. So finally, this watch is ideal for obviously Back to the Future fans, or people who want to gift something to someone with a lot of novelty and value. It is also great for collectors who want limited edition items, or for someone who just loves the nostalgia of the 1980s. But you should not go for this watch if you don't really care about the movie too much, if you're not looking for a retro metallic watch, or if you want to buy a calculator watch to wear it, because I get it. If it is such a good, amazing collectible watch, I would not want to wear it all the time. Some people might say that they do not like the collaboration because you can't even see that it's really Back to the Future. Right? Unlike this collaboration with Pac-Man or this one with Stranger Things. But I like that it's not in your face. I like that it has subtle details here and there that only really true fans will know about. I like that. You might not like that, so definitely don't go for this then. I think it is worth it because it shows story, aesthetic, and has a very good collector aspect. It gives you a piece of film history and the fun functionality of a calculator watch, plus a vintage vibe with modern touches. Let's get really. You don't need a calculator, but whenever I go out wearing my calculator watch, it always sparks up a conversation. Does that work? Is that a real watch? Where did you get that from? So, yep. And at last, I would like to say a very happy Diwali to all my viewers. Thank you so much for watching and stay tuned for more.
और अब 1,000 का एक, ऐसी क्या खास बात है?
बापूजी ये स्पेशल फटाका है।
क्यों? फटाके में काजू बादाम डाला है?
नहीं बापूजी, ये फटाके की खास बात यह है कि इसको फोड़ने से आवाज बिल्कुल नहीं आती है, हैं? एक अच्छा सा वो म्यूजिक बजता है। हैप्पी दिवाली